108OP Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera. Wi-Fi Hitch Camera with long-lasting battery. Night Vision IP69K. Easy installation for RVs, trucks, trailers, compatible with iPhone, iPad, Android devices. Branston View. Product dimensions for 0.33L. x 3.66W x 3.46H. Compatible devices smartphone. Installation type surface mount. Video capture resolution 108OP. Voltage 3.7 volts. Optical sensor technology CMOS. Lens type wide angle. Real angle of view 150 degrees. Video capture format MP4. Strong magnetic base and easy installation. The powerful magnets allow for effortless attachment of the wireless backup camera to metal surfaces without the need for drilling. Its compact size for 0.05x to 0.75x 3.46 ENSURS portability and allows for one-handed installation. Quickly switch between vehicles in just 2 steps. Power on the camera and connect to the InSeeCam app's Wi-Fi hotspot. Enjoy a hassle-free experience. 3 charging modes and stable Wi-Fi. This wireless horse trailer camera supports solar, USB, and car charger options. The StinView solar panel sold separately ensures efficient solar charging, while USB and car charger provide versatility. It offers a stable hotspot signal up to 197 feet, 60 meters, ideal for vehicles up to 30 feet long, with range varying by vehicle and environment. Enjoy flexible charging and reliable connectivity. 90 days long standby time. The 3000 milliamp hours. Rechargeable battery supports USB charging and provides up to 7 hours of continuous use. The power-saving mode extends standby time to 90 days, automatically entering sleep mode after 2 minutes of inactivity and easily reactivated manually. This minimizes interruptions and reduces the need for frequent recharging. Full HD image quality and IR night vision, featuring a 108OP HD color CMOS sensor with 1920 x 1080 pixels 720p output, and on-IR cut module. This camera provides clear, lifelike images. For infrared LEDs offer a night vision range of up to 17 feet 5 meters, ensuring excellent visibility in low light conditions for safer reversing. IP69K waterproof and multiple functions. Rated IP69K for superior waterproofing. This camera performs reliably in extreme weather conditions. It supports video recording, photo and video downloads, and more. Features include horizontal and vertical flipping and full screen viewing to cater to various needs. The InSeeCam app is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, with 3 flexible charging modes, long standby time, and a strong magnetic base. R108OP Wi-Fi backup camera is designed for ultimate convenience and reliability. Keep your camera powered on the go with the StinView solar panel sold separately, offering effortless charging for extended use. Ideal for long road trips and outdoor adventures. The 3000 milliamp hours battery offers up to 90 days of standby time with power-saving mode, ensuring less frequent charging and more focus on your journey. Power-saving mode strong magnetic. Base stable signal IP69K. Waterproof multiple functions.